Alright y'all, welcome back to the video. I want to show you guys something really quick. Pretend that's not there, but we're kind of missing a lot of stuff in here. And this one's looking the same way. Let's just walk out here. Oh, here it all is. What in the hell, dude? This one's looking crusty, and that one too. The golf carts, the Can-Am, the X3, the pit bikes, the Defender, the golf cart. Not good. And Leah. We tore a lot of stuff up yesterday, so that's what this video is going to be about, and also my truck. We haven't seen that. It's covered in bugs right now from the drive down here, so I'm going to attempt to clean all of this stuff behind me today in a video. Now luckily not everything is like extremely dirty, like the X3 and the Defender, they're pretty bad off, but everything else just kind of has a lot of dust on it, so we might just need to hit the power washer and just kind of rinse it off. But yeah, I want to try to show you guys how I clean everything today and just like try to knock it out. It's gonna be mostly time lapses because there's a lot of stuff to do. Once we get my truck out here too, we're gonna clean that. I'm gonna show you guys how I do everything. It's just another kind of like day in the life of what I do when we use stuff. It's kind of, I'm not gonna say it's my job, but I like to keep all B's stuff clean. I respect everything that he has, and if I even get to use some of it, I want to make sure that I take care of it. You always want to impress, so we're gonna get everything clean today for my dude B, all nice and neat. So y'all just stay tuned, sit back, and let's get to washing. Here's another thing too. When we leave stuff in the backyard, I like to remove all the keys, and yeah, I have no clue when any of these go to. For the most part, I can figure it out, but we're gonna start pulling the ones I know, and we'll figure out what we don't. Alright y'all, we got everything cleaned up for the most part. Everything's still in the backyard. I want to grab some B-roll so you guys can see what they look like. I hope you enjoy these clips. That's no good. My next step was gonna pull them all in the driveway, hit them with some SC1, and then pull them all in here. SC1 pretty much like a protective spray. It helps not get mud to stick on it, and it kind of keeps it like that. Like it's like a smooth little coating, almost like a ceramic coating. So I reckon we'll let this shit pass, and we'll figure out what we can do next. I still gotta wash my truck. I guess it's getting washed, but I want to do it the right way. Tag on that red pop. All right, well the rain stopped, but the problem is I pulled all these units back into the driveway. That's where they gotta go next, and I've picked up a lot of mud just from the rain. So for the second time, I'm gonna take the power washer out to try to run everything over one more time just to knock off any of this mud, and then we're gonna pull them in here or let them dry, pull them in here, and then spray some SC1. Like I said, it's been a lot today, but we got one more step. It's the final thing, so there's no half-assing. We're gonna get her done. Stuff right there. We're gonna go around and spray it on all of the machines. It puts like a nice ceramic coating on them, keeps most of the mud off. So let's get the spraying. SIM card ran out of storage, so y'all don't get to see me wiping everything down. After I spray that chemical, you go around, you take a microfiber, you wipe it all down. If not, it kind of leaves like an oily look to it. It won't be shiny. So went through, did all of that. Probably took, I'm not even joking, probably like 6 hours today to film this whole entire video. And I didn't even get to clean my freaking truck, man. I'm done washing this shit. I got a little bit of rain on it. We'll be ready to rock and roll. I just want to show you guys, like I said, that's just like an everyday thing for me. As soon as the machine is used, if it goes back into the shop dirty, even with a little bit of dust, it just starts making the shop all nasty. And then it takes us 2 days to clean the whole entire shop. You just got to keep up with it really good. That's why I like to clean everything. So I just knock it all out and get it the way it needs to be. So, but that's all I have for y'all today, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till next time, Lit and Bass TV.